Hi, hello everyone. I'm making this video as part of my lighting talk at the Planetary Health Alliance Annual Meeting 2021. I am Nilanjan Bhor from Indian Institute for Human Settlements located in Bangalore, India. My talk is about urban air pollution and burden of non-communicable diseases in South Asia. Non-communicable diseases is abbreviated to NCDs for the rest of my talk. To begin with, I will set the background. As we know, the double burden of disease continues to increase the risk of morbidity and mortality. Moreover, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has reinforced how important it is urgently strengthen the surveillance, prevention, and treatment of NCDs, as higher mortality of COVID-19 cases was detected among those with comorbidities, especially in South Asian countries. South Asian countries have experienced high economic growth from 1990 to 2011, which led to substantial improvement in human development indices. This led to a sharp increase in urban population, even though it demonstrates that economic progress is linked to the improvement of health status. It has led to the emergence of NCDs. Considering this trend in epidemiological transition, the year 2000 is significant because it marked the beginning of efforts to bring the emerging epidemic of NCDs into national and global priority agendas. Beside behavioral and metabolic risk factors, ambient and household air pollution also contributes to higher mortality rates, mainly due to cardiovascular and respiratory diseases. Some of these diseases were ranked among the top 10 causes of mortality by the Global Burden of Disease GBD study in 2019. By performing a machine learning analysis using 2017 GBD data, it was found that there exists a positive and strong correlation between socio-demographic index and four NCD-specific indicators, such as NCD mortality, air pollution mortality, household air pollution, and occupational risk burden. Therefore, it is clear that the socio-economic development activities such as rapid urbanization and industrialization, one of the drivers of air pollution, greatly influence the NCD burden in South Asian countries. We need other sources. We found other sources of air pollution, including biomass burning, fossil fuel combustion, resuspension of dust in residential areas, dust from construction and vehicle movements, and road dust as secondary sources of air pollution. In conclusion, many of these sources can be mitigated by improving the environmental dimension of the social determinants of health. It is critical to consider the ways in which inequalities in terms of exposure to environmental risk manifest according to factors such as income, occupation, education, and ethnicity. Effective planning and expansion of nature-based solutions like urban green spaces could be one of the local solutions for the global health challenges, such as prevalence of NCDs, air pollution, and climate change. To conclude, I want to underline the importance of strengthening urban local administrations as they could play a role in addressing social and environmental determinants of health, including mitigating the sources of air pollution. I hereby conclude my talk. Thank you very much.